diagnostic centers, heading the whole initiative in terms of sales, marketing and operations, whatever I can contribute. I hope all of you were able to reach the venue comfortably. Nobody had a problem reaching this place. So that gives me a respite that yes, we at last have chosen a good location to be at, so that if the doctor is able to reach comfortably, the patient does reach comfortably. Well, at the outset, let me take this opportunity to thank Dr. K.N. Singla, who was kind enough to give us this opportunity to hold this talk this evening. Thank you so much, sir. We are indeed indebted. And as an unconditional thanks to you, I would like to felicitate Dr. Singla. I would request our director, Mr. Anil Garg, to kindly come over and hand over the bouquet and the memento to Dr. Singla. Sir, please. Welcome to you, sir. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, although sir is very much a part of us and very much imbibed into Must and More, but still as customary, it is important to thank the key talk giver and respect him, because he is going to give us knowledge today and we are definitely going to get enlightened towards the end of it. Well, as always, again the same thought I want to put forward. People who have been into the CME earlier would definitely know what the answer is. But have you ever given a thought that why we have named this diagnostic clinic as Must and More? Any thoughts, please? Why have we named this diagnostic clinic as Must and More?
बहुत जरूरी लगा है.
बहुत जरूरी है, चेकअप करना बहुत जरूरी है. Probably that is the reason. Any more thoughts, ma'am, please?
There are certain things which we feel they are must to diagnose something, but there are some findings which we may not feel are required. We may get through you. It is must and more.
So there are some findings which are must, so we get it through the must mode, and some of the findings are there which we deliver through the more mode. Any other thoughts? Anyone else? Why must and more? Why must and more? Anybody? Quick, please. Sir.
In the present scenario, the investigation has become a must on our part, and to get good results and better one, that is more than the expectation. So I hope you will deliver more for that.
So by virtue of the name, it indicates, as sir rightly says, that we have to deliver more. So we are committed to deliver more. Anyways, well, sir, please.
Must is needed. In NCR and Delhi, there was no scope that the name must and more. What is the developed of science worldwide, it is provided that we have selected perhaps must and more, needed more and more.
Whatever was must was available, and something that was more, by virtue of God we are providing, so the name is must and more. Well, what I would take you through is, I would say, I will give you my thoughts why we have kept it as must and more. All medical service providers have an obligation to deliver a fantastic and accurate report. That is a must. But my dear friends, I am in the profession of doing more. What do we do is, we do more, we work more, we deliver more, and hence we get more from the hands of God. So that is the premise on which we work. For us, the basic premise is customer delight. When I say customer delight, doctor is also a part of the consumer who is coming to my place. Doctor's delight is in terms of the most accurate report that I can give, so the doctor is able to get a diagnosis out of the patient's investigation. And as far as the patient is concerned, the customer delight I want to deliver in terms of the fact that the patient feels at home. Patient feels that yes, he was genuinely treated well and he was taken care of when he went to a diagnostic center and he was not on the road. Well, that is the objective. As we rightly say, health is a must, but happiness is more. Similarly, good food is a must, but then healthy food is more. Smiling is a must, laughter is more. So that's the precise thought why we have kept it as Must and More. And a brief introduction. Must and More is a proposed chain of diagnostic centers promoted by a radiology giant, Satyakiran Healthcare. It has been into the business of radiology for the last 25 years. We have close to 25 centers located in 5 states, operating in the north part of the country, delivering radiology and pathology services to the patients and treating them to the health. The second major promoter is Bachpan Play Schools, which is close to 900 play schools in the country, established in the last 8 years, promoted by our Executive Director, Mr. Ajay Gupta. Must and More is proposed to have 50 to 60 centers in the next 3 to 5 years to come, and we wish to deliver this kind of dedicated patient care and high-end patient care to each and every person who needs this kind of treatment and who needs this kind of investigation. So that is the thought. And one critical thing on the cost of repetition, despite the fact that I have the best of location, I have the best of space. We are looking at 40,000 square feet of area where the whole complete floor plate has been occupied for a diagnostic center. Only place in the country where the ambulance reaches this near to an MR table as I am sitting with you. So, and that comes through a car lift probably. And I have the best of location, best of people working for me, but that is not the criteria on which I want you to give me work. My only premise or my only unique preposition is customer delight. And I assure you that we are committed to this customer delight and will deliver this customer delight to the end of times till the time we operate into this. Without taking much time, I would proceed to the next and the most important leg of the evening. Dr. K.N. Singla doesn't need an introduction. Dr. K.N. Singla is the head of the department for gastroenterology and endoscopy colonoscopy at Jaipur Golden Hospital. He is the one who is spearheading the basic efforts in gastroenterology in the area in the north and west part of Delhi. He is a graduate from Government Medical College Rohtak and a postgraduate again, MD in medicine from Government Medical College Rohtak. Post that his senior residency and DNB at Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, and he is a senior consultant at Sir Ganga Ram Hospital and Jaipur Golden Hospital at this point in time. Welcome once again, sir, and over to you. We'll hand the dais to you to take the talk for the evening, sir.
More. Must is living in the present. Whatsoever is available in the present, we must have it. And more is living in the future. Whatsoever is coming in the future, we must know it. Simultaneously, अच्छा यहाँ से कर सकते हैं क्या? यहाँ से कर लेंगे. Simultaneously, whatsoever audience is there, that is must, and more is required. We are also honored with the presence of my elder brother, my mentor, by Dr. H.C. Gupta, and my big brother, Dr. Ashok Agarwal. I request both of them to please come on the front chair. They have always been an inspiration inspiration for me. So I will request Dr. H.C. Gupta and Dr. Ashok Agarwal to please come in front. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So, dear friends, believe me, sir, आपको आगे तो आना ही पड़ेगा. Dr. Ashok, please, sir. believe me, you are the privileged doctors, and I am not saying it just by the way, कि जो आज इस टॉपिक को सुनने के लिए आए। मैं वही भाषा बोलता हूँ जो मैं डेली लाइफ में बोलता हूँ, सुनता हूँ, ओढ़ता हूँ, बिछाता हूँ, और आई थिंक हम उसी भाषा में कन्वर्सेट करेंगे, तो देन वी विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस सो कॉल्ड ईदर अननोन टॉपिक और द कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टॉपिक। व्हाट इज न्यू इन हेपेटोलॉजी? As it is always said, and as I always say, your eyes do not see what your mind does not know. And probably that is the purpose of these CMEs or these seminars, that we must share our knowledge with each other. आज से 6 महीने पहले जब मैंने ये मशीन खरीदी थी, अपने सेंटर पर यहाँ पर लगाई थी, इनफैक्ट तो 3 साल पहले जब मैं डॉक्टर एस के सरीन के लेक्चर सुना करता था, और मैं भी थोड़ा फैटी था, फैटी तो अभी भी हूँ, था तो नहीं कह सकता, पर कम हूँ फैटी, तब मैं यही सोचा करता था आज से 6 महीने पहले, जैसे हमारे पीएम मोदी भी कहा करते थे कि अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं। देन ओनली आई डिसाइडेड कि लीवर के भी अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं, क्योंकि तब ये मशीन मार्केटिंग होनी शुरू हो गई थी इंडिया के अंदर। व्हाट्स न्यू इन हेपेटोलॉजी? यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड दैट इन एवरी फील्ड ऑफ हेपेटोलॉजी, जिगर के हर एक फील्ड में पिछले डेकेड में जितनी रिसर्च हुई है, किसी और फैकल्टी में उतनी रिसर्च नहीं हुई है। एंड इट्स अ वेल डॉक्यूमेंटेड फैक्ट्स इन ऑल कॉन्फ्रेंसेस and over worldwide. And these are all the topics in which this research or this progress has happened. First we take hepatitis B infection. Now it is well known that even in compensated cirrhosis, I am not talking of hepatitis or chronic hepatitis B कि जिसमें liver damage नहीं हुआ है, even in compensated cirrhosis, the treatment of HBV infection has shown marked improvement. If there is some Rajkumar who give me the pointer. Over here the point is to be noted is that there is well documented fact that there is a histological improvement. पहले ये मानते थे कि अगर cirrhosis, कहाँ से ये पहले ये मानते थे कि अगर सिरोसिस हो गई है तो रिवर्सिबल नहीं है, बट नाउ इट इज वेल नोन कि सिरोसिस से पहले की भी एक स्टेज है फाइब्रोसिस, और हर एक, इट्स नॉट कि भाई एकदम से सारा लीवर सिरोसिस में बदल जाएगा, पहले फाइब्रोसिस की स्टेज आएगी फिर सिरोसिस की स्टेज आएगी। एंड नाउ इट इज सेड कि अगर हम लीवर अल्ट्रासाउंड पर या सीटी स्कैन पर लीवर सिरोटिक भी है, तब भी अगर हम हेपेटाइटिस बी के जो ट्रीटमेंट है अगर वो देंगे, तो देन देयर इज ए हिस्टोलॉजिकल इंप्रूवमेंट एंड नॉट लेस देन 87% ऑफ द पेशेंट्स। इट्स ए ग्रेट 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 होप। तो हमने सिरोसिस के पेशेंट्स को वाइप आउट नहीं करना है, गोन ऑफ नहीं करना है कि बस तुम गए काम से। नो, इट इज नॉट द केस, दे कैन सर्वाइव। वी प्रीवियसली ये कहा जाता था कि इफ द सिरोसिस हैज अकर्ड, इट मीन्स द लाइफ स्पैन इज 5 years. 90% of the patient will not see the 6th year. But now we have got patients, at least 10% of the patients, who are celebrating even their 14th or 15th Holi and Diwali, just even when they have come with a massive bleeding, with the massive varices, with the fulminant varices. So this is the research in hepatitis B, and of course all these points. This all is to show diagrammatically. Now in hepatitis C virus, great improvement in hepatitis C virus. Why? Now there are direct antiviral agents, DAA. अभी तक हम हेपेटाइटिस सी में इंटरफेरॉन देते थे, जिसकी सबसे पहले कीमत 18,000 रुपये पर इंजेक्शन आई थी, आज के दिन 7,000 रुपये पर इंजेक्शन है। मगर इसी साल प्रोबेबली वी आर थिंकिंग, रादर वी आर कंटेम्पलेटिंग एंड वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि डायरेक्ट एंटीवायरल एजेंट्स आ जाएंगे जो ओरल ट्रीटमेंट होगी। यू कैन इमेजिन कि एक पेशेंट को इंजेक्शन लेना कितना मुश्किल है और ओरल थेरेपी लेना कितना आसान है विद द इक्वल एफिकेसी। सो दैट इज द इम्प्रूवमेंट इन हेपेटाइटिस सी। दिस इज द सेकेंड एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लीवर डिजीज। सर अभी आना है तो इसलिए बिकॉज इन अमेरिका इट हैज़ बीन लॉन्च्ड, इट्स ए ग्रेट कॉस्ट, बट इन इंडिया दे आर वर्किंग विद द गवर्नमेंट that if the cost can be reduced. At present, the tablet costs about 1,500 Indian rupees INR per tablet. But maybe, as you know, the policies change and the things can be reduced. However, because in India hepatitis B is more common and in America hepatitis C is more common, so we expect that while marketing it to India, they will definitely reduce its cost. इन चीज़ों से मैं आपको ज़्यादा बॉदर नहीं करना चाहता बिकॉज इट्स इंटरफेरॉन और उसके साथ कॉम्बिनेशन की ड्रग्स ऐसी आई हैं। नाउ वी कैन, दो प्रीवियसली आल्सो वी कुड क्योर हेपेटाइटिस सी वायरस 100%, बट ओवर द स्टडीज इट वाज सीन कि शायद इंटरफेरॉन ज़्यादा सालों तक भी देना पड़ सकता है। बट नाउ विद द बेटर कॉम्बिनेशंस ऑफ रिबाविरिन और सोफोसेविर, द cure rate has increased. This we have to remember. So this is about hepatitis C. In hepatitis E, I think you all remember, hepatitis E was most important in pregnant females. The mortality in pregnant females, अगर hepatitis E infection उसमें हो जाता है, it went up to 50 to 80%. 50 to 80%. Similarly, the same thing occurred in transplanted patients, recipient of transplant, liver transplant. In that, the hepatitis E was common and the rejection rate was more. But now, with the newer antiviral therapy and with the newer techniques, this rate has been reduced. So, this is the development in hepatitis E infection. What I am showing you is what is new in hepatology. By these things you can know that how much research, how much doctors worldwide are after the liver to protect it so that from every disease there is improvement and the life can be saved, the liver can be saved. The most important in last decade has been non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Till now, it was known that only alcohol damages the liver, and for 200 years we were ignoring the fat in the liver. But now it is a well-known fact कि जितना शराब जिगर को खराब करती है, उतना ही फैटी लिवर जिगर को खराब कर सकता है. It's a sea change. And the document that is, obesity is an independent risk factor. Independent, कि सिर्फ अगर obesity है, that is a independent risk factor in clinical decompensation in patients with cirrhosis. कि compensated cirrhosis है, उसको obesity है, तो that can go into decompensation. It's a great landmark in the research कि obesity को जो है हमने हटाना है, which is not obesity, it has become a globesity problem. Now it is a global problem. I congratulate Dr. Ashok Agarwal for developing a center in Srinagar who reduces your obesity. He invites our doctor colleagues also over there. Second, please take this to your clinics and to your home. Efficacy and safety of obeticholic acid in patient with type 2 diabetes mellitus and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. अभी तक ये सोचते थे कि आप जानते हैं every 6th Indian is suffering from diabetes mellitus. Every 3rd or 4th Indian is having obesity. And in context with that, every 2nd Indian is having non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. And my dear friends, it is not Indians, it is a global problem. Any country at any cross section of time, its population, 50% of its population is suffering from non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Dear friends, जिन्होंने मेरे इस शब्द को ना सुना हो, प्लीज दोबारा सुनिए कि किसी भी देश का संसार के अंदर 50% पॉपुलेशन किसी भी टाइम पर नॉन अल्कोहलिक फैटी लिवर डिजीज या नैश से पीड़ित है, और पहले उसके दिस इज नोन एज ए लाइफस्टाइल डिसऑर्डर, इसकी कोई दवाई नहीं थी, इसके लिए सिर्फ इतना कहते थे कि हमें अपना लाइफस्टाइल सुधारना पड़ेगा. बट नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ग्लोबल प्रॉब्लम, दिस ड्रग हैज कम इन ए बिग वे, obeticholic acid. It will also be marketed this year, which can reduce fat in the liver and can cure it. Hepatic fibrosis, which is a outcome of NASH or NAFLD.